Well, hello there. So this video was recorded on Halloween night. If you guys cannot tell, I was a cat for Halloween, but only for work. I honestly couldn't wait to come home and take all of this makeup off since I normally do not wear heavy makeup like this. The first thing I'm doing is combing out my hair with my bamboo comb. Everything that I'm using will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. So again, I am just combing my hair out. I'm going to put it in a ponytail. Since I will be washing this makeup off, I do not want any hair in my face. I find that super annoying. Now going in with a wet base cloth, I'm just carefully taking off most of the makeup so it'll be a little bit easier later on. By the way, I drew on my nose and my whiskers with my e.l.f. eyebrow dip brow kit thing. Yeah, so talk about being a minimalist / reusable Halloween costume. So if you guys do not know by now, but I am a huge fan of the Pacifica products, especially this Kale Detox face mask. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just love products that do more than one thing, and this is a face wash and it's also a makeup remover. So how great is that? And it's also under $10, so you definitely can't pass it up. And I believe it's really good for oily skin. It does say combination, but I just feel that it's the best with oily because my skin is it is combination, but it's more on the oily side. So when I use this, it kind of dries out that oil and has a nice clean, fresh feeling. I used to use coconut oil to wash my face and my makeup, but it made me break out, so I kind of stopped that. So I forgot to do a close-up of my J roller, but again, it will be linked down below so you guys can check it out. This one was around $12 on Amazon, and I keep mine in the freezer at all times. I like to do this after I remove everything and have a clean face. I feel like this calms my skin down after going through the removing process. And it also reduces my puffy eyes and cheeks and reduces the redness of my face, so I really like this gadget. Now for the best part, I absolutely love peel off masks, especially this one. I usually only put it on my nose and sometimes my cheek, depending on how my skin is feeling that day. So I kind of messed up here. I put 30 backwards, but that basically was trying to tell you guys that I wait 30 minutes for it to dry. And while I do that to kill time, I will go on the Xfinity app. And now I do not have cable, but my sister is so kind enough to give me her account so I can catch up with my shows. Right now I'm really into 911 and American Horror Story, so just trying to catch up with those episodes. If I'm not catching up on my shows, then I'm either on Instagram drooling over all the vegan food posts or looking at either minimalist apartments. And also just replying and liking all of your lovely comments. I'm truly grateful for each and every one of you guys. Can't thank you enough. So I wish my camera would have focused here. I tried to do one of those YouTube videos where you could see everything coming out. Clearly it did not focus, but you guys kind of get the picture. It took out majority of all the blackheads and all the yucky stuff that was in my skin. So definitely a mask worth trying. So once I'm done with my face mask, I always use my Osea Brightening Serum. It's pricey, but it does wonders to acne scars and dry skin. I definitely see a huge difference in my skin with using this product, and also Osea is a vegan, non-chemical brand, so that is why I absolutely love this brand so much. Again, it's so worth the price tag. Next up, I'm going in with my Jamaican black castor oil in a little e.l.f. stoolie brush. So this is going to be for my eyelashes and eyebrows. I want my eyebrows to be a little bit thicker so I don't necessarily have to fill them in as much. And as for my eyelashes, I usually do that every night so they can just grow longer and fuller. If you guys are wanting to grow out your eyebrows or eyelashes, definitely give this product a try. Recently, a friend bought me this vanilla chai vegan chapstick, and so far it's my go-to chapstick for the winter. I'm super picky with chapstick, but this one is amazing. And finally, my face feels so refreshed and cleansed, and I really feel like I get a better night's sleep when I go that extra mile with my skin. And the last thing that I do for myself is a 5 to 10 minute scalp massage. It's supposed to help blood flow and hair growth, so I thought I would give it a try since I'm trying to grow out my hair. So I do this about, I want to say every other night, or every time I try to remember to do it if I'm not feeling too lazy, only because I'm trying to grow out my layers. I really hoped you guys enjoyed my Get Unready with me. I know I never really did an updated Get Ready with me. If you guys would like a video on that, leave a like down below, and also leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. And I do want to end every video with a question. I'm trying to do that because I definitely like to interact with you guys. So the question for this video is, do you guys enjoy taking your makeup off? The minute you take your makeup off, do you like that feeling, or do you normally just go to sleep with your makeup on? Very curious. I used to be really lazy and go to sleep with my makeup on, but now that I just enjoy a clear face, I cannot wait to take the makeup off to just feel refreshed and, I don't know, like new. Like I feel my skin feels new every time I do this. Obviously, I do not wear makeup all the time, but surprisingly, the new me, I guess, it definitely enjoys taking my makeup off. Whether I get home late, I don't feel lazy anymore. I just take it off. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys sleep with your makeup on, or you really rush and you can't wait to get it off because you love that clean, fresh feeling. I'm gonna leave you guys on that note, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next video.